Hello everyone. We are the World Data Forum team. We are an animation team that offers a new perspective to the data around us by modeling the data into 3D animations. Today, we will have a brief look at the process we follow to create our videos at World Data Forum. This is Blender. We model our 3D comparison videos here. This is a small snippet of how we create videos for our channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comments section. You can also send your queries to our email ID mentioned in the description. Thank you everyone.